Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 1/8 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 1/8 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 1 by 8. The answer we get is 0.125. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 1 as the dividend and 8 as the divisor. Since 8 doesn't fit into 1, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 1, making it 10. How many times does 8 go into 10? Once. We write 1 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 1 by 8 gives us 8. When we subtract 8 from 10, we get a remainder of 2. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 20. How many times does 8 go into 20? Twice. We add 2 to our quotient, making it 0.12. Multiplying 2 by 8 gives us 16. Subtracting 16 from 20, we get a remainder of 4. Then, we add another 0, making it 40. How many times does 8 go into 40? 5 times. We add 5 to our quotient, updating it to 0.125. Multiplying 5 by 8 gives us 40. When we subtract 40 from 40, we end up with a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 1/8 converted to a decimal is 0.125. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.